Assalamu alaikum friends. Today's story title is The Candy Wrapper. During recess, children were playing in the schoolyard. Ali unwrapped a candy and threw the wrapper on the ground. His friend Sanam noticed and said, Ali, playground looks dirty when we throw trash. Let's keep it clean. Ali felt a little embarrassed. He picked up the wrapper and put it in the dustbin. The teacher, watching from a distance, smiled and said, "Good children don't just enjoy their school, they take care of it too." Ali learned that even a small action like throwing trash properly shows respect and responsibility. Moral of the story: cleanliness is part of good character.